Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download RedNote. If you want to download RedNote on your phone, the process only takes a few minutes. So to get started, unlock your phone and open the App Store. And what you need to do is in the top we can find there's a search bar, select that and type down RedNote and you need to search for it. And once you have found it, you need to select to your RedNote and it will open wide. Here you need to select Get. Double click to install it and it will verify using your Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple account password or your Google account credentials and wait for the app to finish the downloading and installing, and the download time may vary depending on your internet connection. And after the installation is complete, you can open it or return to your home screen or app library and you can open your RedNote. And that is it. That's how you can download RedNote on your device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.